Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve calculator not working in your Windows 11. So click on Start, Settings, and here guys click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Now in this list you have to find out calculator, this one. Click on three dots, Advanced Options. Now click on Repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. And guys, if repair method not work, so you can reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device. Click on reset. And still you are facing problem, so uninstall and reinstall calculator from Microsoft Store. Type here just calculator. You will see Windows calculator. Download it and install in your PC. So thanks for watching guys, and this is the way guys you can fix and resolve calculator problem in your Windows 11. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.